You remember the smell of stale popcorn and the glow of neon lights reflecting off glass screens. That specific clack of a plastic button and the resistance of a heavy joystick were the hallmarks of a true arcade experience. Now, a product called the Retrops Arcade is making big promises to bring all of that back into your living room with a simple plug-and-play setup. It looks tempting on paper. You see these ads with thousands of classic titles packed into one tiny box for a fraction of what a real cabinet would cost. But before you pull out your wallet, we need to look at the reality behind the marketing. This device sits in a very murky territory that every gamer should understand. The first thing that catches your eye is the sheer volume of games. They claim to have every hit from your childhood. However, legitimate companies have to pay massive fees to license those games. When a generic console offers 5,000 games for a low price, it is almost certain they are using unlicensed software. This is not just a legal issue. It is a quality issue too. Unlicensed games are often pulled from the internet and slapped onto cheap hardware without any optimization. This leads to the biggest fun killer in retro gaming, which is input lag. You press the jump button and your character moves half a second later. In a fast-paced platformer, that half second is the difference between a high score and a game over screen. The build quality of these units is another major point of contention. Real arcade sticks are built to take a beating. They have heavy springs and micro switches that click with authority. Many users reporting on these generic consoles describe the controllers as hollow and light. The joysticks might feel mushy or fail to register diagonal movements. That ruins the entire point of having a physical arcade setup. Then there is the website experience itself. You might notice countdown timers or claims that stock is running out in the next 3 minutes. These are high-pressure tactics designed to stop you from doing your research. A reputable brand does not need to trick you into a panic buy. If you try to find a clear return policy or a customer support phone number, you will often find nothing but a vague contact form. This makes getting a refund nearly impossible if the unit arrives broken or does not work as advertised. Some people do receive a box that works. They get to play some old favorites and they are happy with it. But for the purists, the glitches and the audio stutters are just too much to handle. The colors might look washed out because the internal software is not handling the video signal correctly. You might even find that many of the games are just duplicates with different names or weird bootleg versions that crash after 5 minutes. It is a gamble every time you power it on. If you want something that actually lasts, you are usually better off looking at official mini-consoles from the original manufacturers. Those devices are built with care and the games are guaranteed to run perfectly. The Retrops Arcade is not necessarily a total scam where they take your money and vanish. It is just a low-quality product that often fails to live up to the hype. You have to ask yourself if you want a frustrating piece of plastic or a genuine trip down memory lane. Accuracy matters in gaming. When the hardware cannot keep up with your reflexes, the nostalgia vanishes and you are just left with a cheap toy. Protect your money and your time by looking for verified reviews and established brands before you let a flashy social media ad convince you to buy.